How to program a new key for 2005 through 2010 Scion TC. This is the easiest method to program a new key, and it doesn't require any additional tools or computer software. But you must have a working original master key for your car, otherwise this method will not work. If this didn't work for you, or if you lost all of your keys, please visit my website for more information. When buying a new key, pay attention to the symbol on the blade of your master key. In this case, it's a little dot. Your new key must have the same exact symbol, otherwise it won't be compatible with your car. If you need help finding the correct key, I'll put a link in the description area below this video. Now, before you even buy a new key, you can test if you can enter the programming mode. Pay attention to the security indicator light. If you insert the master key with the correct chip, the light stops blinking. If you insert a blank key that is not programmed yet, the light just keeps blinking and the car won't start. To start programming procedure, first close all of the doors. Next, put the master key in and out of the ignition cylinder 4 times. On the 5th time, leave the master key inside the ignition cylinder. Immediately after that, open and close driver's side door 6 times. Remove master key from the ignition cylinder. At this point, the security indicator light on the information display should come on, indicating that the car successfully entered programming mode. Now you can insert the new blank key to get it programmed. The security indicator light will start blinking for about 60 seconds. When it stops blinking, your new key is successfully programmed. Remove the new key from the ignition cylinder and then test it. Security indicator light on the information display should disappear when you insert your newly programmed key. And finally, you can get your new key caught at the local locksmith or hardware store. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel to see more DIY videos like this.